Welcome to your guide to Zopify.io. This walkthrough is designed to help you confidently navigate your sub account. First, let's learn how to navigate the Zopify.io sub account dashboard and understand the overall layout. So, first is you have to log into Zopify.io and select your sub account from the account switcher. And next, on the left side bar, you will see all the main menu items such as contacts, the conversations, calendars, pipelines, and more, which are the payments, the AI agents, marketing, automation sites, memberships, media storage, reputation reporting, and app marketplace. So, familiarize yourself with the top bar. It shows notifications, the your profile, and the quick settings. And spend time clicking each menu item to get a feel of where everything is located. So that's it, and thank you.